Hi, Abraham. Thank you for serving everyone like this. How would you interpret this very quickly? Going to lunch, we are walking out of the restaurant, and pretty much throughout the lunch, I wasn't distracted, but I wondered, wouldn't the hotel prepare themselves when they have 150 people taking a break at the same time? You would think. Even Abraham.
Now you're beating Esther's drum.
Thank you. Now here's the part that, as walking out, I interpret that underneath everything we all want to contribute, like you're contributing to us. I stop at the desk where the host was, and I said, do you guys prepare for 150 people taking a break at one time? And basically, she felt criticized and started to defend it. I said, I'm really not criticizing. I just wondered.
So, you had an experience which...
And it's common.
So you had a vibration,
yes,
which attracted an experience to all of these unsuspecting people who were randomly swept up in it. So you had an experience which furthered the activation of a vibration. And what was at the heart of it was the hotel should be more efficient. People should do a better job of doing what they do. And as you say, it was a common vibration. It was a vibration that's not unfamiliar to you. And so taking that vibration and then putting a helpful, happy face on it, or attempting to. But law of attraction can't bring to you someone who's looking for a solution when you're in vibrational alignment with the problem. So you got the one who felt defensive because the one who felt defensive was a vibrational match to how you were feeling. And then you had your co-creation together, and no solution began to evolve, but a further statement of the problem did, which is all part of the process. In other words, it's all part of saying, this is what I'm wanting.
And I know I'm co-creating it at the time. I'm not pretending to think that this is all over there. I know I'm co-creating. When I walked away from her, I said to my wife, this is just amazing that I have this showing up in my life a lot, where if I want to contribute something, I get frustrated. So obviously my vibration is not.
Well, what's happening is, you see, you can contribute tremendously when you have the experience that makes you want this, but then you've got to become a vibrational match to that before you approach the person at the front desk, before you can elicit improvement from them.
What if I think I am?
Well, then you'll have an experience that will show you the truth.
All right.
And so then the manifestation happened. In other words, we call that post-manifestational awareness.
Post-manifestation. Is that second guessing?
It's waiting until it manifests before you figure out what the vibration was.
Okay.
When it's ever so much better to figure out what the vibration is before it manifests. So you walk out of the restaurant. So now, having had this experience, you say it happens a lot. Next time it happens, you're in a place where whatever it is that you're expecting from the environment isn't pleasing to you. And out of it erupts desire. And only this time you remember, you say, this is ringing a bell. This happened to me in that hotel the other day, where a desire for them to be more efficient and a desire for me to rendezvous with things that felt better happened. And I knew it, and I wanted it, and I was well-meaning. But before I cleaned up my vibration, I rushed to the front desk, and I gave my spiel, and I evoked defensiveness, and nothing got better, and we didn't even have a good exchange, and neither one of us felt better after it, and I don't want to do that again. Now, what can I do this time that's different? So you say, well, this time what I could do that is different is I could try to imagine the outcome that I'm wanting. Wouldn't it be nice if, is a really good game to play, wouldn't it be nice if when we go to a hotel, whether we are part of a Abraham Hicks Publications event or some other event, wouldn't it be nice if the hotel were really prepared for all of us? Wouldn't it be nice if they really cared about our comfort? Wouldn't it be nice if they were so in the business of taking care of people that they had things organized in such an efficient way that everything came off like clockwork? Wouldn't it be nice if a new chef had just arrived and had a whole array of wonderful things prepared? And wouldn't it be nice if the day of our arrival was the day that he had his top-notch kitchen staff? And wouldn't it be nice if it was the day when the general manager was going to come and inspect the premises and everyone was just really on their top toes doing exactly the very best thing that they could do? And wouldn't it be nice if when I rendezvoused with that, what was elicited from me was compliment after compliment after compliment? And wouldn't it be nice if I went to the front desk and I'm looking for one of those forms that you could fill out because I have so many compliments that I want to give to so many people. I've been writing them, what's your name, what's your name, what's your name, what's your name, what's your name? I'm writing.
I want them to know how much I appreciate them.
A whole list of people that I want to write on this. And so I say, I would like to speak with the general manager or with someone who has his ear because I would like to express to you my heartfelt appreciation for the extraordinary manner in which you run this hotel. I want you to know that I appreciate it because as someone visiting this hotel, I'm not even staying at this hotel, I'm just visiting this hotel, just dropped by for a meeting and lunch. I found every aspect of this hotel to be just as I wanted it to be. And he says, let me validate your parking. It's free today. Let me try to make up to you. Let me offer my appreciation to you for your appreciation. And so what we're saying to you, and we know that you're hearing it and we're also out of time, we're wanting you to understand that everything that comes to you is not a random, distracting fragment.
Yes.
It's a full-blown manifestation coming in response to a pattern of vibration, and it carries with it a message. You deserve this. You deserve this. This is exactly what your vibrational countenance is asking for. Blame not your staff. Blame not the hotel staff. Blame not the world. Blame not the government. Blame not anyone. Instead, even though it might feel more soothing to blame another, or even though it might feel more soothing to call it random, instead, take the joyful stance of accepting your creative control within it and work to improve your vibration, and then watch for the improvement in life experience until you recapture your knowledge that you are the creator of your own reality, and that the resources of the universe are at your disposal, backing up your every preference, your every whim, your every wish, your every desire. We have enjoyed this interaction more than words can say.